The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, you did great. Hello, my crafty creators. I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook, and what I have here is something I started in my live. Okay, my live, which was video 149, or was it 150? Oh gosh. Anyway, we decided to do some coasters, and what I did was I used the chameleon, the Let's Resin Chameleon Gold, the Let's Resin Chameleon Violet, the Let's Resin Chameleon Galaxy, and the Let's Resin Chameleon Plum. Now, for my back, I also use Mayspring Charcoal Black. And for this color that's showing here, I use Haze from the Soap Dye collection. So I'm going to demold these really quick and see what's going on with them. I hope everything is good. So, anyway, you all could find these coasters. I'll have them linked in the description. This will be, I will release this video to my members first, and following releasing it to my members, then I will release it to the public. Okay, so I hope that you are a member and you're enjoying. This is beautiful. There's a little bit of overreach right here, just right here on the edge. Just gonna take it off. Maybe I'll do it with the scissors. But I have started membership. I'll have that link in the description as well. Very cheap. It's not expensive at all. But let me show you up close how beautiful this is. It's very beautiful. I love it. Very different too. There's a fly in here. Never mind that. Okay. So that one was the plum. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and demold the second one. It's a little soft right now, but it's not too soft that I can't demold it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, my. That is beautiful. Oh, wow. Now, this one is the Galaxy, the Chameleon Galaxy. It gives you purple, it gives you blue, it gives you green. It's very nice color. Okay, I like it. Moving on to the next one. This one is the Chameleon Violet. Oh, this is beautiful too. You see that? Oh my. Oh my. My audience is gonna be so thrilled about this. Whew, honey, that's beautiful. All right, going on to the next one. Now this one was the gold, the chameleon gold, and I was so, oh gosh, this is pretty. You see that? Oh wow, that is one nice piece of work there. And I'm gonna move on to the holder. Okay, so let's hope that everything with this holder come out nicely. Like I said, it's still a little soft. Let's see what we got going on in here. Okay. Ooh, yes. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, I'm not mad at it at all. Miss Stacy, which is over my Amazon wish list, she decided we would put these different colors in here, and that is beautiful. I like it. I do like it. So it would stand there like that, and you would put your coasters in. All right, and being that this is, it's kind of soft a little bit, You know, it's not like hard, really hard. So I don't want to push them down in there so that it will be a mess. I don't want to have a mess, y'all. Don't want a mess. All right? Don't want a mess. But they go in nicely, y'all. They do go in nicely. Okay? So this is all of them together. I will do a video on all of them together, but that's what it would look like. And because I said it's still soft a little bit, the blue just makes it happen, y'all. I like it. All right, so I gotta take this out because I don't want anything to bend or cure improperly. So I'm gonna release this to my audience first. My members, I'm sorry, my members. This will be released to my members first. And then it'll be released to the public. So they have to have their first look at it and check it out because it was from the live. Okay, it was from the live. I have to say that. And I just think it came out great. Let me take you down for a closer look. Okay, so they're the legs, which we did in the chameleon paint, and that's why the black kind of seeped through a little bit. You can see it seeping through through there. All right. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. Look, just, oh gosh, that is beautiful. I love those coasters. I love it. And look at this one. Oh my, the gold. Oh, you see that? Oh, so beautiful. You know, I have the back, but it's so beautiful. Check it out, y'all. That's amazing. Let's get this one. It's amazing too. You see the color change. Green, purple. Okay, it's nice, really nice. Love it. Love it. And on to this one. Okay, you see, it's nice, really nice. So that's from the Let's Resin Chameleon line. Okay, and as soon as it gets a little, let me squeeze you in a little bit. As soon as it gets a little more harder, I will have a nice picture, but as of right now, we're gonna keep it as it is. And I hope that if you're not a member, you join for membership. We're starting to do some nice things. I'll be doing a lot of fun things with my members. They will also, like I said, gain access first to the videos, and then I'll release it to the public. But honey, join the live. We have lives Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And excuse me, I have an Amazon wish list. So maybe if you see something that you want to get and me to reveal it on video, I will do that as well. We just finished doing these right here in the live. They were nice. And that one as well. This is just something that I was doing I created some pins from Miss Susanna, the owner of Lorez Expressions. So that was, oh y'all, I got so many colors. So many colors. If you haven't seen this video, check it out. But I made my own writing pen. This is by Mayspring Shiny Malachite. And I put the date up there so that I will know, you know, how long it will last. But it's a lot of things to look forward to, okay? So just make sure you check it out, enjoy, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. It will be helpful. I love to share all of my creativities, all of my experiments, all of that, okay? And so I do want to also say, if you have a YouTube channel, please leave a comment with just put a heart beside your name, so that someone else, if they're looking in the comments, someone else can find you, and maybe you can get a subscription, a view, a like, a dislike. You know, they might become a member on your channel or something. We show support here at the Crafting Nook, and that's what it's all about. So I am Falisha, and I will see you later. Bye.